I have 3 sets of wires coming into a light fixture. All the wires were connected together by color, so hooked up the new light and the dimmer switch blue. My name is. I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My goal is to exceed your expectations on JustAnswer. 1. How many wires in the wall switch box and the wire colors? 2. Does the wall receptacle reside on the same circuit breaker as the light fixture? 3. Any chance you have an AC voltmeter available that also contains a continuity feature, or do you know which wires originate from the breaker, the light fixture and the receptacle? 4. Is the dimmer switch a single pole type or a 3-way switch? How many wall locations can the light fixture be controlled from? 1 or more locations? 5. Do the breaker wires, the dimmer switch wires and the light fixture wires all reside in the same box?
1. 2 wires and a ground, black and white. 2: yes. 3: I know which wires come from the breaker. Which wire goes to the outlet? The third set of wires either goes to the dimmer switch or from somewhere else. 4. The dimmer switch it is also LED bulbs. 5. Yes, I believe so. Would a picture be helpful?
Thanks. Replies Paul. 1. A dimmer switch is only used to control lighting and never a wall receptacle. You mentioned the following. The dimmer switch it is also LED bulbs. How many wall locations can the switch turn the light fixture on and off? 2. So the wall switch box contains 3 whites, 3 blacks and 3 bare copper grounds? Need confirmation as to the exact wire count and wire colors in the wall switch box? 3. A picture of the interior of the wall switch box showing the wires would be most helpful. You can attach a picture using the paperclip icon on your end. Thanks. Kevin.
1: 1 group of wires heads from the light fixture to a wall receptacle. Doesn't connect to the dimmer switch. B. The light fixture can only be turned on from one location, the dimmer switch. 2. There are 3 whites, 3 blacks and 3 grounds coming into the fixture box. Plus my light that would need to connect, obviously. I cannot find the paperclip anywhere. On my phone, is that a problem?
Thanks. 1. The wall switch box contains 3 whites, 3 blacks and 3 grounds, or are these wires in the light fixture box? I asked if these were in the switch box and you mentioned that they reside in the fixture box. Thus, I'm confused as to which box they reside in. 2. If the wall switch box contains the 3 blacks, 3 whites, and 3 grounds, then the light fixture box contains 1 black, 1 white and 1 ground? 3. Which box does the hot from the breaker originate from? The light fixture box or the wall switch box? 4. I assume the wires are romex cables or in conduit? 5. The paperclip icon may not appear on your phone. I think it only shows when connected using a PC. Don't worry about a picture. I need to create a drawing, but I need confirmation on the breakout of wires in the wall switch box and the light fixture box.
1. The 3 sets of wires are in the light fixture box. 2. Other way around. 1 set of 3 wires in the light switch box, 3 sets of 3 wires in the light fixture box. 3 light fixture box, 1 of the 3 sets of 3 wires. 4. Yes, romex. Thanks. Help, by the way. This is the last light in the whole house I bought a month ago that is being updated. Frustrating. Lol.
Okay, thanks. Give me around 15 minutes or so and I will post a diagram on my next reply. Thanks patience, Paul. 1. Shown below is the wiring diagram based on the quantity of wire sets that you have in the wall switch box and the light fixture box. 2. The first cable set is the hot circuit feed, hot and neutral from panel, which originates in the light fixture box. The second cable set extends from the light fixture box out to the receptacle box. The third cable set extends from the light fixture box back to the wall switch box. Thus, 3 cable sets residing in the light fixture box and 1 cable set in the dimmer switch box. 3. Since romex was used, the white wire in the dimmer switch box will be a hot wire feeding into the dimmer switch and it will be spliced to the hot circuit black wire at the light fixture box. Since this white is being used as a hot conductor, you will need to re-identify it using black electrician's tape on both ends of this white wire. This white will splice to 2 of the black wires in the fixture box. Do not splice this white wire onto the other group of white wires. Leaving the dimmer switch will be the black wire and this will extend to the light fixture black wire. This black wire is the switch loop wire. The white neutral from the light fixture gets spliced inside the fixture box to the other group of white wires. Thus you will have 3 whites spliced together in the fixture box. Leaving the fixture box will be the cable set going to the receptacle. 4. When terminating the dimmer switch, the breaker must be in the off position. Otherwise the dimmer switch can easily be fried due to the sensitive electronics inside. 5. The bare copper ground gets terminated directly to the boxes, if they are metal, and to the green grounding conductors or green ground screw on the dimmer switch. If the boxes are PVC plastic, then use a bare copper or green pigtail to splice them together. Reply back to me with any questions. Let me know how you make out. Thanks. Kevin. Again, Paul, thank you. Excellent service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great weekend. Thanks. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.